The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
With the warmer weather, people start to think less about doing projects inside and more about doing projects outside. However, sometimes you find your outdoor tools just aren't up for another season, and they need to be replaced. Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling. Some things you might have to replace this season could include chains, ropes, extension cords, hoses, and more. Right now, there's no great way to recycle any of those items, so as you get rid of those kinds of things, remember to put them in your trash and not in your recycling bin. We can't recycle those kinds of items in our process as they get wrapped in our recycling machinery, causing damage and delays as we work to get them out from where they don't belong. Another thing to remember is to keep yard waste out of your recycle bin. Biodegradable waste such as grass clippings, leaves, and branches can contaminate the recycling process and are better off being handled differently. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit Rumpke.com, the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.